In this video, I will be teaching you how to connect make.com to Google Drive. So let's just begin. First, let's just say you open a scenario and let's just start something with scratch. So over here it is loading up and you can see we are on our scenario building screen. So over here you have two options. Either you can search in this search list or you have this plus icon. Click onto this option and in here you need to search for simply Google Drive, just like that. You can see you have different options showing up. So here we got Google Drive. Now before we connect it, you can head over to the link in the description to get 1 month free on Pro plan. So make sure to try that out. And you can see we have Google Drive over here. To add this, you can simply choose a different you can see we have many of these functions. So let's just say I wanted to download a file. You can see the node is added, and now to create a connection you simply need to uh, click on this option and then your Google Drive will be connected. So that's how easy it is. I hope this helps.